Okay guys, real quick, I just found something you're definitely going to want to check out. Links in the description, and trust me, this is worth your time. So I've been testing this product for a while now, and wow, it's actually legit. The performance is smooth, the design feels super solid, and the whole thing is ridiculously easy to use. Everything works exactly the way you want it to, without any stress or setup problems. What shocked me the most is that it's way better than I expected. I thought it would be one of those nice but nothing special products, but it completely proved me wrong. If you're looking for something reliable that actually delivers on what it promises, don't skip this. Hit the link below, check it out, and you'll see exactly what I mean. Let me tell you a quick story. A few weeks ago, I kept seeing people online talking about this product. At first, I ignored it. I mean, the internet hypes everything, right? Okay guys, real quick, I just found something you're definitely going to want to check out. Links